Opening ego blower. There should be minimal assembly here. We got this charger. They all come with 56 volts. This is model CH3200. Several attachment. So it's 765 CFM, the power of this blower. Another attachment. And you see here, there is a notch here that will clip. And of course, the main part with the motor, there's a notch here that you can connect. Manual harness. Okay. There. BA2800T. It's 5.0. I'm charging it inside the house because the outside is now very hot. 75% or 50%, so that's where it is. We'll charge it fully before we use it. Here's my repertoire of all my chargers that came along with the unit. This is for the lawnmower. This is my old one. This is for my trimmer. I can just have one charger, but here's my trimmer battery, which is just 2.5. My old battery, which is 4, and my new battery, which is for the lawnmower, 7.5. So I can use this 4.0. This is one AH higher, almost, almost the same. We'll use this while charging this. So it says here up to 90 minutes runtime, 5.0 and 765 CFM. Adjusted, and I'm right-handed, so I'll put it on my right, hold it this way. This is the turbo. Here's the control. Okay, there you go. It's kind of heavy. Now, if I put it here, I can just continuously press this one to engage. And then, but here, I can also set it without pressing this that way. Now with the turbo, oh, there you go. Testing of this, it's just kind of heavy.